Hey guys, today I decided to go for a walk and I took Rovi with me to show you how my app works. The app has a pretty simple UI and I mainly use these two sliders to control the robot, one on the left and one on the right. The left one controls the left track and the right one controls the right track. And whoops, I flipped it over. Next up we have here the speed in the upper left corner with 3 options: normal, fast and slow. I've selected the slow mode. Not that exciting, right? Let's try the fast mode. Yeah, that's way more exciting. I use different modes for different use cases. Slow mode is more precise, but the fast mode, well, is just way faster and more exciting. There are also buttons for forward and backward movement. Let's try the forward. And yeah, it's flipped again. Next, there are these left turn and on the right side, the right turn buttons, which basically turn the robot in its place. By the way, from all the turning, it created this cool, like a meteor crater. Interesting. I mean, it looks very cool. There seems to be an issue with the left track. You see? That's all the power and it's not moving back. So I think there's some problem, or the gearbox is stuck. I'm not quite sure what's happening. Yeah. And I think I'll take a Rovi home and I'll try to figure out where's the problem and get back to you as soon as possible. Looks like some of the dirt got inside the gearbox, causing some problems. So I'm gonna disassemble it and have a look inside the gearbox. So I disassembled the whole tracks and the gearbox. And then I put it together and now it seems like it's working. So I'm not quite sure if I fixed it, so let's see. I'm worried that some of the dirt got inside or something. Not quite sure, but I'll check it out. I don't know if you can see it well, but the screen is totally covered with sand or dirt after this take, but I mean, it's awesome. In the upper right corner you can see like a settings button, and it's just a control center for some additional stuff. For example, the travel distance shows the distance traveled from the last power run of the motor. Now it shows 66 meters, but at this point it's still just an estimate. Another one is the motor's calibration. It's here because the left and the right motor may have some slight differences, which over time may cause some offsets. So now you can just adjust it here and then it will go in a straight line because the left and the right motor will receive the same amount of power. Next up, you can set the internal camera resolution. You can also see a button called Assisted Driving. It's still in development and it works using ultrasonic sensors to measure the distance up ahead and stop before obstacles, and then some other development features, and finally we get to the fun part, LEDs. But I will let the Adam of the future explain you that one. So this is the RGB rainbow show. I can control each LED color individually, which allows me to program this cool pattern of lights. Or I can even control each color from the app. For example, I can control the green light on this LED, or from the back I can control, for example, the blue light, or I can even combine multiple colors. Back in the app there is a slider called Lawnmower Power. This is used to adjust the power of the lawn mowing module, but as you can see, right now it's not attached. I also thought about testing it in water, but I don't want to get my backpack wet, and dirty. And I flipped it over again. Yeah, it's flipped. By the way, my app also has a light mode, not just dark mode. So this is the light mode, but frankly, I don't like it at all. I just always end up using the dark mode. So thanks for watching and bye bye!